Welcome back to a global dosage of golf. In this series, we are preparing ourselves to go on a golf trip, and we're headed to Hainan, China. It's considered the Caribbeans of China, and I'm super excited because I've been to China 3 times. I've been to Beijing, Guangzhou, Shanghai, Hong Kong, which isn't really part of China, but I've been to all those places and I haven't golfed there. I've been there for real estate. So this time I'm going for golf, and I'm super excited because I haven't had the golf experience in China yet. Right now, we are actually gonna go pick up my passport because I have to drop it off to get a visa. When you go to China, you have to have a Chinese visa. And this one that I just got will last me for 10 years, so that's cool. I can go back whenever I like. All right. I just got it. Now I am all set with my documentation. This trip was kind of sprung up last minute, and I leave in about 2 weeks. So now that I have everything set up, now I have to pack and I have to do other stuff, but I'm not going to talk about it. I'm just going to show you. So we're done here. Part of immersing myself into the culture when I travel is picking up on the language. So the last 3 times I've gone to China, I've had a translator with me, and which is great. I definitely recommend. But I actually picked up a few words when I was there. I learned megua, meo, which I learned while bargaining, which means hell no, pretty much. 可以 and 可以. Bu bu bu, which means no no no. Lai lai lai, which means come come come. And oh yeah, my favorite, 早上好, or it's 早上好, which means good morning. For the longest time I thought it meant how are you, but it means good morning. Right now I'm on a Duolingo app and I'm learning Chinese greetings. I'm assuming it's this one. 0. Yes, correct. So I'm excited. Maybe in my next few episodes in China, I'll be speaking some Chinese. Probably not, but maybe. I like to try. 10. 10. Yuan. Yuan. So yuan is a currency in China, by the way. Ah, you are correct. 你好. How? 我叫. 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 Hi, 谢谢.
Finally, we add
不
here.
用气.
So it means something like 我会说.
不会说.
This last one is a negative
我不
statement.
会
We
说.
need to say the negative
说.
word 不 before the word 会. It's just that
会
easy.
会.
Now it's time for
不
English.
叫.
For those of you who are not
Jibri
only English speakers.
I'm almost packed. Kind of. This is the best part, when midnight just chills in my bag. We leave in about 5 hours. I've already picked out my outfit, so now I just need to make sure everything fits in my bag, which is rare because it never usually does. So my goal is to get it done within 1 hour, and then do 1 hour for my backpack, because my backpack's always really complicated to pack because I don't know which camera gear to put in it. And yeah, we're gonna get started. So I've got the car packed, and see, I've got my golf bag, barely hanging on, and my travel bag. I'm excited to go to where everything is made. China. Yeah. Hopefully my Chinese will be adequate enough. And here comes my ride. We'll check back at the airport. Hey everybody, we just made it to Chongqing Airport. So this is our last stop before we are heading over to Haikou in Hainan, which is an island just off the south coast of China. Walk-in closet, bathtub right in the middle of the room. Wow, this is really nice. See the view outside. Perfect. Just the way we like it. So now that we are all cleaned up, ready to go, we're gonna head over to a dinner. Part of the WTE exchange, so I'm really excited about that, and then we're gonna get ready for some golf. So we're walking from the bus to Wuyi, which is a shopping center, and they said that there's gonna be barbecue for us. Big golfer girl.
What
do you think about this barbecue?
Mall barbecue, my favorite. No.
She said that they're gonna be walking around with like trays, or not trays, like handles of different types of meat. I'm vegetarian, so, or well, I'll do pescatarian, so I wonder how, I don't know, I just hope they have something for me. Because on the planes I was eating like melted vegetables and rice, but it worked out. So we went to something similar to what we would call a Brazilian steakhouse. Lots of meat, but they actually had lots of good veggie options, and there was also this really funny kind of an ice cream sampler that we did where, you know, we just grabbed one scoop of each ice cream to try it out, and they didn't taste like ice cream at all, more like bean paste, frosé kind of thing.